Hey everybody, Jeff Casmore here, and yep, consecutive days with videos. I know, it's quite impressive for me. Let me get this mask off. I don't know why, because most places you don't have to wear a mask, unless it's an individual business that still wants you to wear a mask. Anyway, I'm very excited to come right back at you the very next day, because I wanted to finish the IMarketsLive Swipecoin app review, a crypto app if you're interested in trading crypto. And it's really, really fantastic. And I did a review a couple years ago, and I thought I would update it just because there's new features, things have changed, all that kind of stuff. So let me get some of the particulars out of the way. I'm a network market forex trader for the past 22 years. I've been associated with IMarketsLive for the past 4 years. I'm a member of the #1 team in the company, and the reason we have the #1 team in the company is we teach a specific strategy of trading the forex where we follow the banks. If you're interested in that, you can reach me at, whoops, that's not what I wanted, Jeff Casmore on Facebook. Send me your friend request. I will get you a 7-day trial where you can sit in with us as we trade, as we teach a strategy 5 days a week to the members of our team. Can't stress enough that if you learn this skill, you can set yourself free, okay? You hear me say it every video. I'm going to say it every single video. Plug in, and we will blow you away with the value that we provide you in learning to trade a strategy. And after 7 days, we can walk away as friends, or you can join us as a customer. Now, if you see this review and you're not an IMarketsLive customer and you want to get on board because you want to get this Swipecoin app, I'll have the link below to become a member. You have to be sponsored into the company. And I also have a Facebook group for swipe trades and Swipecoin, so you can get access to as well. Just do the search in Facebook and you can join the group. So let me get, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Give me your comments, give me your feedback. No spam. Any spam is going to be on there is going to be deleted. I had a video posted yesterday, 10 minutes later, great video, blah, 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 and in the end, comes the sales pitch. I don't know why people do it. I monitor all comments. If it's a negative comment, but not spam, then I will leave that comment and respond to it. So anyway, give me your feedback, please. So let's get back to the Swipecoin app review. Let's go here. Bam. Okay, so yesterday I kind of went through some of the features of the Swipecoin app. I showed you how to take the trade, how to get the notifications, looking at the trade idea, all that good stuff. So today I wanted to go through these categories to give you more of an idea of what's inside. It's not just an app where gives you the trade idea, that's it, okay? This is a great tool. So obviously, if you hit this button right here on the Swipecoin app, you have all these categories. We're going to go through most of these categories right now. So the first one is the leverage trade ideas, okay? And by the way, let me throw this out of the way. This is proprietary information. There are no current trades going on where I'm giving away trade ideas, just trying to protect myself against the company. I am just walking you through. These are all trade ideas in the past, okay? So under leverage trade ideas, and of course, I might do a video where from my phone so you can see, you can select symbols, times, the master trader, and the trade type. And and do a search, and this lists all the trades. So, as I said yesterday, Nick Gomez usually does kind of our Ripple and Ethereum trades. Picasso normally does our Bitcoin trades. And here is a list of the trades. Okay, now, one of the misnomers about trading forex pairs or crypto is, okay, well, how many trades can you take a day? Blah, 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 blah. You want quality trades. You don't want poor trades. Okay. Just because I give you 5 trade ideas, if 4 of the 5 are bad, then what's the point? You want quality, okay? So as you can see here, a couple trades went out on the 5th, one on the 4th, one on the 3rd. There's plenty of trades. A couple on the 1st, end of May, etc. So you're not getting 5 trades a day, and with crypto, you don't want 5 trades a day, or you're going to need a really, really large account so that you don't over-leverage yourself, okay? So this category lists you all the trade ideas. Okay? Exchange trade ideas. This is the exchange market. And again, the same thing, you can search. And to be perfectly honest, I have not touched this at all. Okay? On the exchange ideas, I have not touched this at all. But as you can see all the exchange ideas, and Nick Gomez does some of them, but normally Curtis does all of these exchange ideas. And of course, again, periodically they come in left to right. Not a lot, but a little. And it's just like trading forex or trading crypto. It's when the market gives you an opportunity. Okay, so the exchange trade ideas are here. You can do a research on all trade exchange ideas in the past. Okay. Leverage chat. This is kind of vitally important. Okay, so this is awesome because Nick or Picasso can communicate with us during the trade, and you want these updates. And I'm going to show you when we get to notifications how to make sure they're all on. If you are a current customer, and if not, obviously, I'm going to teach you how to do that, okay? So just at the top, any entries on Bitcoin should be a few hundred pips in profit, stop loss to break even, partials locked in for win, risk-free setup, right? Nick on a Ripple trade, up, okay? Nick here, probably the same trade, came back to the entry zone, and it remains valid. So in other words, if you missed this trade that went out, and you got this message, you could get into the trade if you missed it, like you weren't busy, eating lunch, you were asleep, whatever the case may be, okay? And again, here are the more updates, okay? And here's even one that hit stop loss. And Nick's like, do not replay that setup, right? So, you just get a lot of information with the leverage chat. It's just vitally important. They also tell you when they go on live. Okay, this is the price of admission, folks. If you're not on these lives or watch the recordings, you're missing a plethora of education. Okay, people don't like to go back to school. They sometimes just like the fish. But if we help you teach you to fish a little bit on your own, it will set you free. And that's with any of the apps that the company offers, or our specific trading strategy that we teach, okay? That's tied into a harmonic scanner inside of IMMaster. So anyway, that's leverage chat. It continues to update you on trades. It's just an important communication tool. The Scalper chat there is inside the membership for IMMaster, depending on which package you choose, and if you have the TCX package, you get this. Swipecoin Scalper. This is kind of like, and you can use this, but you can't log in, guys. So I'm just telling you, okay. So those people who want something for free, you can't get in, okay, unless you have the package. But anyway, this is a notification that there is a potential scalp, not necessarily a long-term crypto trade, but a scalp. You can get a couple hundred pips, get out. So this is a notification, tells you to log in, and you can get the full setup. And I have a video that shows you exactly what that entails, okay? So that's the Scalper chat. The exchange chat, this is Curtis. He just kind of gives us some information on coins, and of course, he just posted something about bonus coins, all right? These are coins that he would recommend buying and holding, and I actually haven't looked at this, and I will as soon as this video ends, to buy and hold for a long-term approach, right? Buy low, sell high. So this is the exchange chat, and Curtis occasionally updates this. Picasso's Brain is kind of an extension of his Go Lives, where it just kind of gives you some information. Sometimes there's videos in here. Sometimes it's a chart. Sometimes, like this last one that came on the 29th. Looks like we may roll over into accumulation model. One here, looking for potential swing low, failure near 30.31 in the next few days. Well, this is the 29th. We're on June 8th. And Bitcoin's like 33,000 or 32,000. I haven't quite looked in the last few hours. So exactly what he predicted is occurring. Okay, so this is just a kind of an extension of his Go Lives that he does. And if you're a member of DCX package or an Elite package, you get access to this. Crypto Talks, just information from Paychecks, just information on Bitcoin and stuff like that. It's just kind of newsworthy stuff. Okay. And then results. They'll post results. Scalper here, Ethereum buy 1100. Scalper original strategy, Bitcoin 570. Nick on a trade idea for Ripple hit 400 plus pips. And again, it just kind of gives you results. This is a specific channel that gives you results. But if you're taking the trades, then you already know the results. But this is just for information purposes as well. Then there's a video section. I can't stress how good this app is, okay? Scalper trading, the app trading, support resistance trend lines, candles, time frames, momentum, moving averages, and by the way, if this was a live video and I have my phone, there's a lot more, okay? In fact, let me see if I can pull it up real quick and not take too much of the time. And videos, yeah. Let's see if I can flip this, show you this, and see, you can just see there's more videos, okay? So, oops, sorry about that color. So anyway, a ton of valuable information on the app, okay? A ton. And this is another search trade idea, okay, section on the app. Kind of got one over that. So this is the notification settings. This is important. If you think about getting the Swipecoin app, okay, or you have the Swipecoin app, and you don't have these notifications on, you're missing the boat, okay? For example, you might only want crypto trades on a certain part of the day when you're awake. Then you would change these sessions, right? Maybe you're a U.S. person, or maybe you're in the U.K. You just want any crypto trades to come in during the session. You don't want to necessarily get notified of any crypto trades outside of the London session. Okay? Very possible. Now, you can also adjust this. For example, if you don't want all these notifications for every time somebody posts something, you can just turn them off and then look at them at your leisure, so your phone is not going off, okay? But you probably want the master alert. If you're involved in the Swipecoin, you probably want that one. But I leave them on because it's just informative. But sometimes your phone, gets notifications. And if you want to limit the amount of notifications, then you can make the adjustments here and just look at it at your convenience, okay? And I think that's it. Oh, one more. And a simple FAQ, okay? That's it. That's it. That's what's inside the Swipecoin app, okay? I cannot tell you how good this is, right? If you are a current member of iMastery and you want this, and you don't have the DCX package, the Swipecoin app is $50 add-on, okay? If you're not a customer and you just want the DCX package, then you just want to choose that. I'll have a link right below if you want to join. And you can reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll give you access to our Swipe Trade, Swipecoin Facebook group. But you'll have plenty to do once you become a customer, okay? I can't stress enough how good this is. It's changing people's lives. It is worth the price of admission. And you would behoove you to take advantage of that, okay? Remember, I think I said this in the last video, okay? You need to make sure you have a bigger account to do crypto, okay? And even if you have a bigger account, like $1,000, okay? You can't have 5 crypto trades going on at the same time. You probably have over-leveraged, even if you take 2% of the trade, okay? So make sure you're leveraging properly. Usually there wouldn't be 5 crypto trades going on at the same time because they don't call that many out. But if you combine that with the Scalper app or you're taking multiple positions, you want to be careful, okay? Guys, that's it. Hopefully part 2 of this has been informative. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me comments. You want to subscribe to my videos right here. You want to join I Am Master Academy, link right below here in the notes. If you want a 7-day free trial in forex trades, by the way, our team does trade crypto. Our actual trading strategy fits that. Then you want to reach me, Jeff Casmer, or Facebook. Okay, and I will get you a 7-day free trial and get you hooked up. That's it, folks. I am grateful. God is good. Please, please remember to do something nice for somebody because you never know when it's your last day. Take care.